Today I am going to show you how to create a web page on an online site. First of all, we'll go to wordpress.com. It's already available now. Then sign in, enter your login ID, and then click on continue. Then enter your password. It will direct to your home page, and this will look like this. And click on my site on the left corner of the page. Now you can see many details here like statistics, the activity and the plans, and below that we have manage tab. Under this first you'll see the site pages. If you want to add a page to your website, just click on add button. Then it will show you a blank page where you can enter some message like this, and then you can have a preview of this by clicking on the preview button. So this is how you can see this, and close this page. Now if you want to add any media, just like a image to your web page, then click on the add button, choose media, and choose any image which is available in the document. Then click on insert. Now we have added an image here. Just I will type some information about me. I just want to see how it looks, so I will click on preview button, and this is how it looks. And if you want to see this on a page, go to visit site and click on it. Yes, so this is how it looks. Now we'll come back using this and close this. Now if you want to publish this on a wordpress.com, just click on publish on the right side of the page. Publish. So it asks whether to publish it immediately and whether public can see this. Okay, let it be, and I will click on publish. So it is publishing. Yes, it tells page published on hkblog.com. And if you want to add any more pages, you can click on add another page. So once again I will go to visit site. I will see how it looks. This is the page what I have created using simple steps in WordPress.com. Thank you.